Vivian, your hot stock girl. Today we're reading your comments, episode 6. And I got the coffee this time. Alright, let's jump right into it. Oh, really? We got some beeps. Okay. What are your thoughts on Shopify? Oh, sorry. This is by Athletic Investor. What are your thoughts on Shopify? I am long in this company. Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. I think they're trading at like 137. Just checked. And let's see, Shopify. I saw that they had a very insane valuation. Insane. I know that there's a lot of competitors in that space, like Squarespace, Wix. What's the other one? If you guys know any other, there's so many. And I don't know. It's like you can build your own e-commerce website, and it's like $30 a month. I think it's the base price, and then it goes up from there, and you have to customize it and do all that stuff. Yeah, I'm not into it. Their valuation is super high, and I don't recommend it, especially at these prices, $137 per share. Bye. It's just my opinion, though. Okay, next comment we have is by Kevin. Hi Vivian, it's my birthday today. Can you give me a birthday shout out? Happy birthday, Kevin. I think you sent me this on November 10th, so happy birthday, Kevin. Next comment is by Patrick Frickle. Patrick, time to do a follow-up video on how you were wrong and why Tesla is at 350 and going up. Okay. I think you didn't watch the whole video. Actually, when I made the video, Tesla was at 340 or 45. And so it really didn't go up much. I think it only went up 2%. And it really is a follow-up video, actually, because I made a stock analysis on Tesla before, and I was pretty bearish. Not bearish, but just not really for the company, because I wouldn't short Tesla either. It's kind of like Tesla's kind of a swing trade. It really is. It's day traders, if anything. You know, you hold it for like what, a few days, and you sell it. It's not a long-term stock. And I know that it seems like it is, but they're saying they're building up this giga factory and have these batteries, and they have these consumerisms and people who are buying the cars non-stop, and you hear all this media news about it, but it's not what it is. And I know people don't see Tesla as having competitors in the future, but they are. If Mercedes and BMW is getting into the space, I'm sorry, their cars are gonna blow Tesla away. And a lot of people don't think that the tax credit's a big incentive for people to buy the cars. Yes, it is. You know how many people are like, you know what, I'm going to buy Tesla because I'm getting, $5,000 off or $7,000 off or whatever the amount was. Yeah, that's a big incentive. So, I don't know. I know we have a lot of Tesla longs in this stock, so I'm not trying to bash it, but I'm just giving you my perspective. You can go ahead and swing trade it, and you'd probably be more successful than holding it long term. Just my opinion. Next comment we have Jason Peterson. Good info. I'd add a little fourth tip though. I guess this is on the EBITDA video. Buy undervalued companies that are profitable and have strong balance sheets. I'm a defensive investor, and because of this strategy, my portfolio is often either up or barely down, even when the Dow and S&P 500 drop more than 1%. Good for you. Jason, you are amazing. Thank you for adding that tip, and thank you for explaining that you are one of the most successful investors on earth. Okay. No, I really do like your comment, though, just playing games. All right, next comment is by Julian, and he says, I'd hit that. Guys, hit that subscribe button. He's saying he'd hit it, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell, and hit the like, and hit that subscribe. Okay. Next comment is by Nelson Lee. Hi, Nelson. Great explanation of EBITDA, Vivian. I want to thank you about a video you made about AMD. When you made it, AMD was 30 something, and you said you wouldn't touch it until it was below 20. So I took a swing trade on it when it tanked below 20, and I made some money. Thank you. I love watching your channel because I always learn something new, and I get a different perspective on investment or a trade. Thank you, Nelson. I'm so glad AMD worked out for you. I wasn't expecting you to, not people to swing trade it, but hey, swing trading works too. Why not? So I'm glad that you proved successful in that short-term stock for you. Okay, next comment is by Scott S. Fitbit or GoPro? Okay, so in one of my comment series, I said which stock would you pick, Fitbit or GoPro? And a lot of people have different perspectives on it. So I'm just gonna read, I think, 2 comments that are about that. And Scott S says, Fitbit or GoPro? That's like asking, would you rather sink in a boat or crash in a plane? Both are highly speculative at this point, in my opinion, and would be better served under a larger company. I think both have lost their luster, but GoPro likely has a more loyal following, so I'd go with them. To be clear though, I have no interest in either. I think he put other, but it's either. High competition, terrible profitability metrics, negative free cash flow, etc. Too many strong companies to choose from, so no thanks on these once high flyers. I agree. I was just giving you perspective, like if you had to pick one, like which is the better of the 2 evils. I just wanted to throw that out there. But okay, we have a next comment by Simply Herpes. Wow, cool name. If I had to choose between Fitbit or GoPro, then I would choose to take that money and use it to pay someone to push me down a flight of stairs. I honestly think I might come out better at the end if I had to invest in either of those 2 companies. Wow! So funny. I love these comments, they're so funny. Okay, so next comment is by A. Taylor, and he says, all this time when you were saying Ibra, I assumed you were telling me you loved me in Italian. Oh well, I guess we can still be friends. Oh, we can be more than friends. We're family in this community. That is funny. Okay, next comment is by Michael Abraham, and he says, I agree with your analysis, but did you just flip us off at the end of your video? No, of course I didn't flip you off. Next comment is by Thomas. He says, I caught the bird, LOL. Tesla is the future of humanity. I'm in for the long haul. Alrighty. Oh, what's long to you? Is it like a few days? I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay. No, but I know there's like the Tesla believers, so hey, if you're a true fan, go ahead, invest in the stock. Next comment is by Thomas San Francisco. Hi, Thomas. Caesars used to be a destination in Vegas, but has fallen out of favor with high rollers and casual gamblers as new and exciting resorts sprung up like mushrooms. The best hope is for a buyout, but that's a gamble too. Red is hot. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Back then, Caesars was the place to be. You know what? When you go to Vegas and you still look, Caesars looks great. And, you know, Caesar's Palace looks great. But when you walk in, you're like, what? It's kind of like when you meet someone who's good looking, but they have a bad personality. And personality is what makes you stay. You know, it's what makes you love the person. And I feel like with Caesars, the inside is kind of ugly. It needs to be remodeled. And they're not putting a lot of CapEx into it. So I wanted to bring that to you guys so you guys can kind of be aware of that. Because when a company isn't reinvesting in themselves, what are they doing? Do they even believe in the company at all? You know, that's just my opinion. But yeah, I think that's all the comments we have for today. And don't forget, this is episode 6 and episode 7's next Sunday. And I really love your comments. I love this community. I love what we're growing here. I love that we're talking about things that are actually kind of important. And I'm glad that we have a channel where we can express those ideas. So yeah. See you guys in my next comment video. Bye!